Hey guys, it's me FighterX. Welcome to my new video. In this video I will tell you guys about a new upcoming Discord feature named Channel Banners. It's like server banners but for channels with a wider aspect ratio, so we will talking more about it, about what you can expect and what we cannot. So firstly, we will talk about how we can enable this. You can add a banner to your preferred channel by going to channel settings. On overview, if you scroll down you will find something like this. You also get notification asking you if you want to try it, and it will go through the adding method. However, this feature is only available to servers with level 3 boosting perks, and yes, you can test it out with banners without boosting. And now to the questions. So most of you will be asking if it's for every single channels, how will it appear, how will there be enough space for these banners for each channels? So that's where it becomes a little tricky. These banners won't appear on the channels section, so there would be another update coming where the member list changes like this, and now you can access both channel settings and view members, so the banner will be present here at the top. Thanks for watching, see you all in the next video.